Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So I have a 16-inch round, an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, some paint chips, some dancing fuchsia. Oh, you know what? I'm going to do something I've been thinking about and talking about doing, which is taking my Dazzling White Artist Loft and leaving trails all over my canvas with it, thinking it's possible that it'll make a resist, which means leaving an area behind that shows where the lines were. This is my pink carnation. This is my dancing fuchsia, which is just, wow, which had just closed up. This is some Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. This is Rhapsody Rose. Oh, and I'm so glad it's still open too. Close. I've been enjoying some Tuckled pink lately. And that might be enough paint. But I'm going to go a little further and go for some red violet. Which seems like it's going to get plugged up anyway. And I want a lighter color purple, so I'm going to find the Periwinkle, which is lighter but not that much lighter and closed for the moment, which I will resolve in a moment. It wasn't too difficult. And probably needs to be addressed again. Now I've got some, I believe it's a primary element, it's Majestic blue. I've been using it today. And whatever else may come could be, yeah, let's just go for it. Water lily. And a little bit of deep amethyst. I've got Love You Pink. I don't think I cleaned the top out though. Oh, maybe I did. That seems like it should be plenty of paint. We're just looks like plenty paint and things in it. The only thing I didn't use was orange. Well, that's not true. I still want some blue. Seems to me the opportunity is ripe for using cell activator, since I have so much paint. I could do that. Yes, I'm dripping, I don't care. Alright, so the cell activator I'm thinking about using is going to be cobalt turquoise. And I'd better do it before I swipe through any more because things seem to be mixing quite nicely. Unusually so. Cobalt turquoise, maybe some white, maybe not, we'll see, and definitely some black. I've also got orange. I might want to start with the orange, I might not. Let me think about this. got Dancing Fuchsia in as well. So let me go with the turquoise, Atelier turquoise, cobalt turquoise. And just because I'm used to doing it, I'm going to do a combination. And my Dancing Fuchsia is closed, so I can't do that combination. But that's okay, because there's quite a bit of paint on there. Guess I'm lucky the white opened up for me. Alright, I'm going to open my Dancing Fuchsia. I'm going to try and combine it with my Pebeo Iridescent Orange. And obviously it looks like I really shouldn't have gone quite so far. Well, I don't know. I got cells on both ends, so maybe I'm wrong. Wipe off my spatula. I want more white, so I'm going to start with white before it closes up completely. I want more elbow room. I want more turquoise right here. But I might as well scrape off all my scridlins. I have yellow, but I don't think it works very well. Yep, I'm going for it again. Mixing up my cell activators. I really like the orange, the Dancing Fuchsia, a lot. This is not what I expected to be doing right now at all. That's okay. I think it might be one of my last 16 by canvases. And therefore I need permission to play with it, not at all. I want a light pink. And this is Ginger Peach. And these are awesome cells, so I'm definitely into that combination. Nothing I'm putting on the edge of my canvas can hurt anything, so I'm happy to make the paint go there. I so want to just put it right on the canvas, and it doesn't work the same way at all. And I could still get out my acetate tools. But right now I'm having fun. So I'm thinking I'm going to put something else back down here. It's either going to be gold or white or both. That's the Dazzling White from Art Deco. That's Decoart 24 karat. Decoart 24 karat gold. I'm going for it. All 3 cell activators. I quite like that. I'm not sure I need to do anything to it. I could put some spirals in there, but I really like what I've got, so no complaints from me. I will have to black the edges. Make sure there's no gaps. Loving those colors together and the cells. Although I do have a little gap down here that I think I might be interested in. Cool. Now I'm going to torch that. It might or might not pop some cells, but I really don't care. Now I've got a straw here somewhere. I saw something I wanted to move. Which evidently I should have done way before I decided to torch. So do as I say, don't do as I do. I've got skin there. Of course it has to be in the middle of the painting. I believe it'll calm down. Get a little tiny white dragon right in the middle. Alright, that's that. With 5 minutes to spare. If I could spin out a couple more spirals in the center, they'd be tiny, but I'd probably do it. But I don't think I should try. Love that turquoise cell activator. Maybe I shouldn't have turned out that other light. Look at those gorgeous cells. Not a bad composition either, honestly. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.